if you're lonely, you know I'm here waiting for you. I'm just a crosshair. I'm just a
Quick little snack before the flight. It's treacherous weather in, but Mexico, here we come.
I won't wait for you. If all you want is my money, you gotta get away from you.
Just got on a second flight, looking a bit rough. That first flight was treacherous, getting off the red eye. We flew at like 3 a.m. Sun started rising while we were on the flight, but flight number 2, it is currently 8 a.m.
I won't wait for you. If all you want is my money.
So I made it to Mexico. I'm about to go gym with my insanely Asian mother who doesn't speak English. Well, successful gym session. Back with the Mexican fellas.
Hey, hi.
Yo, what's up, my boy?
I'm Alonso. I'm the guide. We are going to the waterfalls, the Mismaloya.
3-hour walk hike to the biggest waterfall in PV. And this
Yes,
right now we're at the entry and we're grouping up with all the Mexican homies.
The Mexican
So let's go.
We back, motherfuckers.
So the first hour, it's going smooth. Only down 1 ball of water, but it's not that bad of a hike so far. Hour 2, and at this point it doesn't really feel like a hike anymore. It's more like a fucking expedition. We almost just lost Alonso's girlfriend to the mountain. And at this point, it's everybody for them fucking selves. I'm just trying to get to the top. No idea if we're going the right way. We're just following up, but this path is treacherous. Absolutely treacherous. The final destination will be so rewarding. Don't know how high we are right now, but we're almost at the top. Got like an hour and a half.
Yeah, it's 2 hours.
2 hours to go. Not bad. We're not even close to the top. Can't lie. I'm feeling out of shape as fuck. 2 hours more to go. Up and down, up and down. And we got people, they don't know if they can make it up. So they might be cooked. This whole expedition might just be cooked. But I'm not walking back down before I see that damn waterfall. Made it to checkpoint 1. My bag is so damn heavy, I'm carrying like 6 liters, watch. David, hold my bag.
What the fuck? You have rocks here, nigga?
First stop done. Onwards. Another Mexican side quest. Every time I go anywhere with these guys, they bring us to like the coolest places. But it's still a trek. This is not even a trek, it's a fucking journey. The way up is treacherous, that means the way down is worse. So I think I'll just die on this mountain. First fucking waterfall. Made it. We're almost there. It's in reach. We made it to the second fucking waterfall. Took us 4 hours, but we made it.
Go. Right here now.
Fucking made it.
Like 4 hours.
4 fucking hours,
bro.
It was fucking worth it. You think it was worth it?
Yeah, I think it's worth it.
This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. I can't even lie.
Let's go.
We fucking did it. We did it.
Biggest waterfall in Puerto Vallarta, bro. 4 hours. 4 fucking hours. 5 minutes.